Hey guys, so today I'll be talking about Jesus while making some cereal. I'm making a bowl of cereal, so I decided to bring you guys along with me. So let's learn about the basics. Jesus is God in human form. He came down to save us from Satan so we can be in his family. To do that, he spread the gospel, he got beat, he took our punishment on the cross for those who believe. So what? I say I accept and that's it? I just go straight to heaven? Well, not so fast. To be in a spiritual relationship, you must also live in the Spirit. So how to do that? You die to yourself. He died physically so that you can live spiritually. And you die to yourself so that you can be set free from this world and not be held down by it any longer. Let's pour this cereal up in here. Add some milk. And yes, you truly won't be influenced by the world anymore because you truly accepted Jesus into your heart. Because remember, you're not living for yourself anymore. You're now living for Him alone. In everything we do it to glorify God. Everything He's ever done was so that one day we can be going home with Him.